So this is question number 29 of GATE 2019, which is a match the column type of question. So in the column 1, we have been given the name of phase transformation, as you can see here, and in the column 2, the reaction for that phase transformation is given. So basically in the column 1, they have mentioned the invariant reactions and how that reaction look like. It is shown in the column 2. So we have to match the name of the phase transformation with the correct reactions. So we will go one by one. So the first phase transformation name they have mentioned is peritectic reaction. So if you see a peritectic reaction, so in this peritectic reaction, what will happen? Liquid will combine with a solid phase. Let's say that solid phase is alpha, and it will give you another solid phase, and that let's say that is beta phase. So liquid plus solid will give you a complete solid phase, which will be entirely different. So liquid plus solid will give you another solid and this reaction we call it as a peritectic reaction. So if you schematically want to represent it, or if you want to see this reaction in the phase diagram, so in the phase diagram this reaction will look like this. Let's say this is the transformation temperature line, and this side we have a liquid phase, and this side we have a complete solid phase, let's say alpha phase. And then if you cool it, right, and like if you are coming from higher temperature to lower temperature region and you are crossing this transformation temperature, then this alpha and liquid which is present here will transform into another solid, which is beta phase, right? So this is how a peritectic reaction will look like. Similarly, like monotectic reaction. So in monotectic reaction, what will happen? A liquid, let's say liquid is L1, will convert into another liquid plus solid. So liquid 1 is getting converted into liquid 2 plus some solid, right? So if you want to know how this look like in a phase diagram, so let's say this is our transformation temperature line, and we have a liquid phase L1 in this region, and at the right side, let's say we have another liquid, and left side we have a complete solid phase. So this liquid, when you cool down, it will be getting converted, that is liquid L1 will be converted into liquid 2 plus alpha phase below this temperature, right? So this is how a monotectic reaction will be taking place. Coming to the eutectoid reaction, so eutectoid reaction is nothing but a solid, let's say it is represented by a gamma. So a solid will be converting into two different solids, alpha plus beta, right? So a gamma, which is a solid phase, will be converting into two different types of solid phases, alpha and beta. So if you want to represent it, then you can say this is the transformation temperature line. We have a solid phase gamma, and when you cool down, this gamma will be converted into alpha plus beta region, alpha plus beta phase. So this is how it will be looking in a phase diagram. So gamma will be converted into alpha plus beta phase at this particular composition and at this temperature, right? Coming to the last, syntectic reaction. So syntectic reaction is basically two liquids will be combining, liquid 1 plus liquid 2, to form a solid phase, right? So liquid 1 and liquid 2 will be combining and giving a single phase solid region, right? So if you want to represent it, here we have a liquid L1, this side L2, and if you cool it at this temperature and this particular composition, you will be getting a single phase solid, which is nothing but alpha phase, right? Liquid 1 plus liquid 2 will be alpha phase. Now we'll try to match the right option in the column 2. So peritectic reaction is liquid plus alpha beta giving rise to beta. So liquid plus alpha giving rise to beta. So this is for P. One liquid is giving to liquid plus alpha. So this will be for option Q, and this is for eutectoid, that is R, and this is for S. So for P it is 4, Q it is 3, R it is 1, and S it is second option. So the right answer for this problem is option A. Thank you.